In this video, I will show you how to move multiple apps at once on your iPhone. First, locate the app you want to move. Tap and hold down on its icon until all icons start jiggling. This indicates that you are in edit mode. Make sure that the minus sign is not visible on the app while holding it. This means that it's ready for movement. While continuing to hold on to the first app, use another finger to tap on additional apps you wish to move. You'll see them stack up on top of the original app you're holding. As you select more apps, notice how a small number appears indicating how many apps are currently stacked together. This makes it easy to keep track of what you're moving. Now that you've selected all desired apps, drag them towards your preferred location, whether it's another page or even into a folder if needed. Swipe left or right across your home screen pages until you reach your target destination. Once you've reached where you'd like these apps placed, simply let go of your finger. The entire stack will drop into position seamlessly. And just like that, those multiple apps have been moved at once. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.